Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. Here we bring you all kinds of solutions, whether it's a fast fix or an in-depth tutorial. We are here to make problem solving easy for you. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change username on Capcut. First of all, you can open the Capcut application. Before moving further toward in the video, please consider subscribing to Solution Lab and hit the bell icon so you will get notified of our latest videos. Now coming back to the video, you can see the me icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it, and here you can see the option edit profile. Tap on edit profile, and here you can see the Capcut ID. The Capcut ID is your username of the Capcut. Tap on it, and here you can remove the first and you can enter your new Capcut username. After this, you can tap on confirm, and it is the way that you change your username on Capcut. If this tutorial helped to solve your problem, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more solutions. And as always, if you have any question or need further help, drop a comment below. We are here to help you. See you in the next one.